All right, everybody, welcome to the Bear Cave. Today we're going to try to do a lye tank in a 5-gallon bucket. You know, something small, something easy to maneuver around. For smaller pieces, which I have a small pile of right now to use. And we're going to use a 5-gallon bucket. We're going to fill it up halfway with water. We're going to add 1 pound of lye. We're going to mix it all up until it's all dissolved. And then we'll add our pieces in. And then we'll add more water to top it off to get it above the handle, so all the cast irons submerged. And then what this lye will do is it'll eat any of the organic old seasoning or crusty or whatever, anything organic. This is going to take it off. It will not take off rust. So I have a couple pieces that have a little bit of rust on them. We'll have to take care of those in probably a vinegar bath and a scrub. So we'll get to that later when it's time. But right now, let me show you what we got. Okay, so I got my bucket. I'm already half full of water, plain water. I got my paint stir stick to mix it all up. And over here I have my 1 pound of lye. Now they say don't just dump it in there, just kind of move it around. You don't really want it to splash either, because it can be hurtful, burn your skin and all that. So make sure you wear gloves. We just want to mix this thoroughly so you don't hear any of the granules. The reason why I only filled this up halfway was because I don't want it to splash while I'm trying to mix this up. See right there's some granules. You can feel it when you rub across the bottom right here. All the rest of it feels pretty good, pretty diluted. There we go. That looks good. Let me show you a few of the pieces that I want to use. I've got these 2 fajita skillets. This one I've been cooking on, but it's got a spot here that just doesn't want to seem to coat well. So we're gonna go ahead and strip it and try it again. This one here I bought at a thrift store and haven't even used yet. So we'll stick those in. Okay. Now I have a couple of littles here. Little Taiwan pan, little 8-inch Taiwan. Looks pretty nice, pretty cruddy. Got it at a thrift store for a couple bucks. We'll drop that on in there. Now we have this, I picked this one up for $1. You know, there's no markings at all on it. It's got a little heat ring. I'm going to clean it up and, get it all cleaned up and give it to my daughter for her birthday.
All right, so it's been roughly 7 weeks. Life got in the way, and I've just haven't gotten around to doing this part of the video. But these pieces have been sitting in this lye tank for about 7 weeks. Is it concerning? Not really, because the lye eats the organic material, so it doesn't really affect the iron. So you could leave it in there for 6 months or better if you wanted to. So let's take a better look at this. I am going to put on some gloves. Okay, so we're going to take a look at this. And I got some gloves on. Let's go ahead and pop this open. See, our lye is nice and black. Let's go ahead and get down here. Now, I use stainless steel wire for our littles. to hang with. I wasn't sure, but looking at it, got just a little bit of rust, but everything came off. So we'll get that washed up and cleaned up. Here's our one little pan. I didn't have any problems with the stainless steel. Didn't affect anything. It's stainless steel, so. So let's check the bigger pieces. This one of the fajita skillets. You see that's completely stripped. Got a little bit of scrubbing to do. Let's set that back down in there. Let's see, where's another piece? Here's another piece. Another fajita skillet. See, it's stripped. It's got a little bit of washing to do. Now that little Taiwanese pan, let's see what it looked like. There we go. That's what we want to see. That's all going to come right off. That looks really good. See all that's coming off. Alright, so these are all ready to go inside and get seasoned up. So that's how we do a light tank. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. Give it a try. If you do this, keep it away from your pets and your kids because it could be harmful. So we're going to get these seasoned up and get them into practice, get them into use.